Hey everyone! Involuntary and excessive grinding of your teeth is known as bruxism. So what causes it? Stress, anxiety, sleep-related disorders, malaligned teeth. Some medications like antidepressants, medical conditions like Parkinson's or gastric reflux disease, and excessive consumption of alcohol, coffee, or smoking. So what it is that you can do, other than addressing the underlying stress and anxiety or getting your malaligned teeth corrected with orthodontic treatment, you can go to your dentist and get something known as a night guard done, and you just put it on before you go to sleep. Let me show you. And so you protect your teeth from getting ground further and causing sensitivity.